Nonton pertandingan sepak bola bisa di mana saja ya kan? Tapi bagaimana kalau kita datang ke dokter gigi diperiksa oleh dokter gigi yang sedang nonton bola? Nah, kita dengerin nih cerita dari komika bernama Fajar yang ternyata pernah mengalami hal ini. Ini dia Comedy Corner untuk hari ini.
And then I realized that doctor that lives in Kuta, he was one of the most not professional doctor, one of the most not professional dentists that I have ever visited in my whole life. You know why? Because when you are a doctor, you need your surgery room to be clean. You need your operation room, no distractions, okay? There must be no phone, there must be no smartphone, there must be not even a computer. And I swear to God, on his operation room, there was a huge 32 plasma TV. And that day was the day where Manchester United was playing against Arsenal. He was the supporter of Arsenal, turned out. And I don't feel afraid of that. I don't feel worried. I trust him, okay? I trust him. It is impossible that even if the doctor was examining my mouth, he was fixing my tooth, while once in a while, you know, watching at the TV and suddenly he drill my, just like this. Impossible, okay? I trust him. The one that I trusted, the one that I do not trust is myself. You know why? Because I was wearing, I swear to God, Manchester United jacket. This is all true, by the way. My mind was playing with me, you know. I was only imagining that doctor, you know, like, okay, Mas Fajar, you are wearing Manchester United jacket. Don't you realize that Manchester United now is playing against Arsenal? Manchester United now may be winning, but I have the drill. So let's see who's gonna cry tonight, Mas Fajar. No, doctor, this is not Manchester United. This is Persela Selemadeg, sir. So, sorry, sir. I want to ask you, how many of you here, guys, already been in Gili Trawangan? Clap your hand. Oh, okay, so you are all rich, actually. Yeah, have you been in Gili Trawangan? I went to Gili Trawangan in 2016, almost 3 years ago. And I swear to God, when I was in Gili Trawangan, there was one guy gave me a magic mushroom. You know magic mushroom, right? Okay, if you have no idea, magic mushroom is a kind of mushroom that can give you a hallucination, can give you a mixed feeling between happiness and anger at the same time, you know? Some people say, if you eat magic mushroom, you will see God. Some people say they see Allah, some people say they see Jesus, some people say they see PlayStation 4, whatever that you worship, okay? The problem is, when I tried to tell this to my friend in Malang, he didn't believe me. He didn't believe me. He was just like, nah, Fajar, I don't believe your story. You know, there's no such thing as magic mushroom. You are lying. There's no such thing as magic mushroom. That's a bullshit. And I said to him, it is a bullshit, goddammit. It is. The mushroom comes from the bullshit. It is a bullshit. You're lying, makmu kiper. There is a reason why people from India call this mushroom holy shit. Because it was made of cow's poop, you imbecile. So don't be surprised that one day you see an Indian guy bringing that mushroom, worshipping it, and laughing at it. You know, like, hey, dude, you are bringing that mushroom and you are laughing. Why? Oh, because this is the poop of my God. Thank you very much. You have been a very great audience. Thank you very much.